it's Mallory from Classic Clutter, and I'm so excited to finally share our master bedroom outdoor lounge space. For this space, I wanted a relaxing retreat with a soft color palette and a lot of texture in all of the decor. This space is right off of my master bedroom and bathroom, so it's definitely a private area that my husband and I can come and relax and spend time together, and it's honestly just been a dream come true for us. For the furniture, I chose the Arca sofa and 2 chairs from Article. Both pieces have a teak frame and a comfortable gray upholstery. The seats are extra deep, so they're perfect for relaxing. They're super comfortable, and when you touch them and sit on them, you can feel that the quality is there and that they are going to last for years and years to come. I styled the space with a mix of eclectic pieces, textured pillows, and a variety of plants for a chic, bohemian vibe. This deck overlooks our backyard and our swimming pool, so it's so fun to sit up here and watch my kiddos. I'm so happy with how this space turned out, and I'm really excited to spend so many summer nights on our new private deck. For more room reveals and DIY tutorials, check out our blog and our Instagram linked below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.